Hi guys! So for today's video is going to be something that has to do with skincare, and today we're going to do the Crazy Skin Challenge. If you haven't heard of the Crazy Skin Challenge, may mga videos na siya on YouTube. Hindi pa siya ganun kakalat, but I'm so willing to try this. I'm so intrigued dun sa before and after na pinapakita. So this is the Crazy Skin Mask. Today is Baby Skin Crazy Lifting Mask. So meron siyang lifting, pore tightening. Siyang before and after, and na-intriga talaga ako sa after photo because para siyang, you know, Korean glass skin kineme root. You can buy this sa BeautyMNL and sa Watsons for just 120 pesos, you guys. Actually, 270 pesos, pero naka-sale siya ng 120. And ang claim to fame niya is a multi-purpose sheet mask that instantly and visibly tightens facial contours and shrinks the look of large pores. Anyway, kakatapos ko lang maligo. So, this is the first skincare that I'm gonna use. First, clean your face. My face is clean. Apply the mask for 5 to 8 minutes. So, the mask looks like this. So, you have to take off the mesh. Okay, so apply the mask for 5 to 8 minutes. So, anong gagawin ko? Okay, manonood ako ng YouTube videos. Ano ba mas better lighting, guys? This one? This is option 1. Or this one, option 2. Let me know at the comment section down below. Please, help me make my videos better.
Low bed.
Alright guys, so it's been 8 minutes. It's time for me to take off the mask. According to instructions, take off the mask and wait for another 10 minutes hanggang sa mag-dry yung essence. 10 minutes, another YouTube video that I can watch. Pero yung overall feel niya, guys, medyo sticky and tacky, and it has a tightening effect, I feel. So we'll see. We'll see.
I'm gonna apply a little bit of concealer. This is finger. I completely forgot my BB spot.
Okay, just a quick update. I still have 5 minutes. Pero dito sa noo ko, dry na yung essence, and it's really a tightening mask. Natry niyo ba dati? Yung mommy ko kasi gumagawa siya ng egg mask. It's getting harder for me to talk. Gumagawa siya ng egg mask, and then yun yung nilalagay niya sa face namin. Tapos di ba pag nag-dry yung egg mask, parang nagiging ano siya, wrinkly and all, and cracky and all. Pero pag winash out mo na, parang you're gonna get this really nice glow. So I'm hoping yun yung makakuha natin today. Okay guys, so dry na yung mask. And part of this skin challenge is to actually try to talk. Ah, it's so tight. Oh my god. Nakikita yung nagka-crack na siya. Okay, let me try to smile because it's so tight. So, totoo nga yun sa packaging. You get this rough, cracky skin, and then underneath, you're gonna get this glowy effect, but we'll see. Next step is to wash off the essence and apply the eye cream. Okay, I'm gonna wash my face now, and I'll be back. Ha! I can talk, so, ha! Just finished washing my face. So, next step is to apply eye cream on eyes or full face. Syempre, dun tayo sa full face. So, ito yung eye cream. You can take it off, or you can, like, directly buksan na dito if tinatamad ka. Anahin natin underneath the eyes. Ito sa full face. Sabi nila, okay lang daw eh. Minsan talaga kailangan i-facial mo rin yung sarili mo. Pag alam mo, wala kang extra budget pang facial. Ganito na lang. Actually, madami pa siya. I'm gonna put it all in. You can save some for later use. Pero ako, nanamnamin ko yung facial cream. And I'm just gonna use it right now. And try nyo rin massage, guys, for a, you know, more relaxing effect. Alright guys, so we are done with the crazy skin challenge. Question is, what is the effect? I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't see the lifting effect yet, but probably if you use this consistently, you'll get to see yung lifting effect niya because wala namang parang instant lifted, diba? But the difference that I can tell is my face is super clean, like extra clean, like it's soft, it's smooth, and feeling ko parang magiging maayos yung application ng makeup ko because I don't feel any texture or rough patches or whatsoever. And I get the rosy glow. Like, you know, natural drunk blush, hello! For my pores, andun pa rin naman yung pores ko. I can't say it visibly reduces my pores, but alam mo yung parang nag-smoothen out lang yung dito na area ko. Feels good actually. So, I'm excited to continue doing this, to continue trying this, and we'll see kung magkakaroon talaga siya ng lifting effect. Oh my god, you guys, this is like 7 to 10 minutes after applying the cream, and parang akong glass skin. Hey there guys, so it's already like the next day and it's nighttime. So yung first part ng video, I wanted to test the mask when I use it at daytime. So yung second part is I want to test it when I use it at night, and at the same time gusto kong, alam mo yun, parang i-overnight yung itong eye cream that you can also use for your face. So kung makita ano magiging result niya if I used it overnight. Kasi yung first part, yung I used it daytime, alam mo yun, napatuwang ko siya ng makeup and everything. So kakatapos ko lang mag-shower, and I'm gonna use the mask again. For some reason, mas matigas siya ngayon. So it's time for me to do the talking challenge again. Ayan. Oh my god. So, I'm gonna wash my face and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So, yesterday morning, parang sakto lang siya. Pero ngayon parang mas brighter. And my skin feels smooth and soft. Lalo na dito. I like it better now. So, it's time for me to use the eye cream. I'm gonna use all of it. Alright guys, so we are done for our skincare for tonight. So I'm gonna head over and go to sleep, and then check natin kinabukasan kung ano maging itsura ng fez ko. Okay? Good morning guys. So I just woke up and I literally set up everything so I can film. Because I want to check on my skin. And I'm actually quite surprised. Surprised ako kasi I was actually expecting na mag-oil up ako, like overnight. Kasi ang dami ko nilagay na cream, and it was so, alam mo yun, it was so thick yung nilagay kong cream. So yung na-expect ko na, alam mo yun, kinabukasan, like right now, magiging super oily ako. And I'm not. I mean, don't get me wrong, mukha akong oily on cam, especially here. That's normal. I do oil up here sa nose area, pero dito parang hindi ako naging oily. And sometimes meron ako mga moisturizers na tinatry, ginagamit na, alam mo yun, lalagay ko at night, and then kinabukasan parang super greasy ko. But this one, in fairness, hindi siya super greasy. And parang inabsorb naman siya ng maayos ng skin ko. So, that's good. Anyway, ako po ay maliligo muna, mag-aayos and everything, and then I'll be back later to say my final thoughts. Hey guys! I know, like 0.5 seconds ago, andun lang ako sa kwarto, and now I'm here at work at the booth of MOR. While I was getting ready kasi napansin ko yung oras, and I remembered na I had some things to do here, so kailangan kong pumasok na maaga. So I decided to film the extra dito na. Okay, so sabihin ko na yung final thoughts ko about the crazy skin mask. And honestly, you guys, hindi ko pa masasabi like right now na, alam mo yun, may significant change and all that. But there were good effects. After using the mask once and then yung pangalawang beses, ang masasabi ko lang siguro is if you want to try the mask, go do it at night or yung bago ka matulog kasi it's a very long process, my God. 5 to 8 minutes and then another few minutes to let it dry. So it will take time. It's really for a nighttime skin routine para alam mo yun, after everything that you do, ihiga ka na lang, matutulog ka na and all that. Isa pa, yung cream kasi nakasama doon, yung eye cream, kung oily ka, I don't think you're gonna like to use it ng daytime. And parang feeling ko, hindi mo rin siya mapupusuan gamitin on your entire face if you're super duper oily, Pero if you have like mine, a combination oily, I think okay lang siyang gamitin to your entire face. Pero kung super duper oily ka, siguro gamitin mo lang talaga siya sa under eye mo. Kasi you know, our under eyes, madalas siyang neglected. Walang pagmamahal. So alam mo, kung oily ka, okay pa rin gamitin yung cream, pero like dito lang sa under eye, not the entire face. I enjoyed the challenge. I enjoyed the process. And yeah, highly recommend that you try it. It could have a different effect kasi on your skin. Na pwede kasi magkaroon ng bongga-bongga effect agad sa iyo sa first try or sa second try. Pero ako, nakikinita ko naman na eventually, if I use it on a regular basis, not every day, pero alam mo yun, siguro twice a week, ganyan-ganyan, I would probably see a significant difference sooner or later. But the important part is we were able to discover another good mask that we can use, alam mo yun, gabi-gabi. So again, if you want to try it, you can get it sa BeautyMNL or sa Watson's. You can get it for less than 300 pesos. 270 siya pag hindi naka-sale, pero hopefully, pagkanood mo ng video na to, naka-sale pa rin siya for like 120. So what else? Yeah, that's it. That's all I can say. So this is for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.